We are Sound of Summer ready, and it's about to be a party.
We're about to get into
The
it.
Saviso ambassadors are up, and the Red Bull ambassadors are up. You know it's about to be a party. The Banakwa, H2O, what? For the balance, yes, a healthy balance. We're ready to go have an amazing trip. So, yeah, guys, enjoy the vlog. It's about to be a vibe. In case you don't see it, but it's about to be a vibe.
Yeah.
See you guys. Bye. Enjoy. Okay guys, so we are in Usakos. Quick pit stop. Catwalk, yes. What?
Update! We're in Usakos. Oh, Usakos. Can the gang come together? Come on, gang! Come on, gang! Gang! Pretty vibes, the cousins!
What? Guys, we're on the side of the road because content creation. Sorry guys, run again! Richard, come. Somebody come in there. I'm gonna take a picture while it's a video. Where are you there? No, go back. Here we go, we're all in. Perfect. Content creation is killing the youth, guys, literally. I love it. So fun. What are you?
Hello, my friend! His boyfriend calling.
Oh my god,
Okay.
she's
So, welcome.
Okay,
This is India's first time being at the coast at all. And we're currently in Usakos.
Okay. I'm ready.
I can even see the beach.
Ori, kinuke bukenda. On the no.
Gobo.
Mbona mwina.
I'm just like, why are you guys... Okay.
You won't see much, but what you gotta do is just like... allowed down there. Okay. You want to take off your socks?
Okay. Are we like doing that?
Let's go down.
What kind of ocean is this?
One stair. Why is there more?
You guys must say steps. I said a step.
They are so high.
You won't fall, I'm right here.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can feel the sand under my
feet.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No! Okay.
We're just gonna run, okay?
Wait, why are we running?
Run.
Don't run!
Run!
Okay, it's gonna be so cold though! Okay, Viola, wait!
Come on, ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my god, I can hear the water. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm gonna cry. I don't know why I feel like it's making me cry.
So abrupt, the way I am reminded of us. I found our stuff, old Polaroids of times behind us. I can't get you out of my head. Went on a date. Thought I'd get my mind off of you. We stayed up late. She got herself a glass of Pinot Noir, the same kind that you always saved up for. I have a trust bag dedicated just for you. Throughout all your things I said I'd never lose.
My name is Pila, and obviously I'm gonna have
How
that
you gonna? Because I was like
Cheers,
thinking
lips
how
on
you
this
gonna take it.
trip because it's just not a thing. So obviously, my cousin and them are gonna have it.
Did you do that?
Glass.
Did you not do that? Do that. Gula. Just. Remember what I taught you, love. You got this. I am your very good smoker. I don't know.
Say less.
Smoke.
Okay.
You're getting
I
it.
am. There's a lot going on right now. I can't physically.
Now reverse my car in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Bye. Oh my god, babe.
Oh shit.
Throughout all your things I said I'd never lose. Still I find a sign reminding me of you. And I stay up countless nights just trying to forget. Lying back to back in someone else's bed. But I can never seem to get you out my head. Why do I even bother? You're pulling me out of water. Can't get you out of my head.
Good morning.
The rockstars are up. The rockstars are up.
But we did good last night, I feel.
The rockstars are up.
We really did good last night. We're not eating, I feel. Because it's like now. Almost 10 o'clock.
It's almost 10 o'clock. So we have
Okay.
So we were saying 9:30, ne?
Yeah.
Isn't it fine, man?
They're good. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked, Jim.
you saw them the outfit.
No, not really. Let me do outfit trip. Hey, let me come in for the details. What?
Just.
What?
I
have
I think you are.
Just.
Outfit with sandals, a skirt, bodysuit,
When
shades.
there's no sun.
Yes. Dress. Ooh, it's giving neutral. It's giving. Hey.
Come on now. Outfit check. Hey. We come in. Shades because why not? Little hat.
My future's too bright.
I mean, come on now. Come on now.
back in the bag. Yeah, yeah. Feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby girl, back in the bag, yeah. Taking it, you like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah.
Baby.
Yeah, you my favorite, yeah.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. When it don't
Yeah. It is on video. How are you feeling today?
Hey, I'm struggling. I'm fighting battles here with this thing.
How are you feeling today?
I'm good. I'm doing good. I'm tired.
Oh yeah, but you should be. 60 hours. Madam, 60
And
hours.
I felt like I didn't even like properly sleep because everything was annoying. Everything was annoying. There was a radio that was on. And
Ada baru radio jam ber. When you guys came in your apartment, music was so playing.
it was like I was contemplating on whether to just sleep and then go to bed, but then it was like at some point I was like, I had to wake up, switch on the alarm, go switch it on, come back, switch on the alarm, and then go to bed.
No,
So that's why
Sing the song, please.
like
Please sing the
it's a
song.
bad voice, right?
The bad voice. That's when we threw the line. That's when we're
You're
like,
like, nah, not good. No, does it sound louder in you guys in your mouth?
Yes, because the music box also.
Okay. Good, how are you?
And I love the way you say my name, my name, my name, yeah.
Oh, na 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 na. You woke on the right side of the bed, man. Your ass, baby, got me going crazy. So fresh and clean, man. Please smile for me, babe. You like I did see you for the first time. So fresh like fine wine. You didn't have me like marijuana. Girl, I'ma see you, baby, every time. All I can do is stare, I can't even move, girl. What's the secret, girl? You got me confused. Is it a smile? Is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl? Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous. Fabulous. Fabulous.
Okay, guys. Why is she calling me?
You put a tingle in my spine, baby, I want you, babe. Everything we I do, girl, not for you, babe. Kill somebody, the way you whine in the body. Here today, not your birthday, girl. Whine it for God. Girl, you want to kill somebody, the way you whine in your body. Girl, today, not your birthday. Whine it for God.
We out here, we out here.
Oh, you're so fabulous. Fabulous. Fabulous.
When you're ready, go for it.
Even misbehave, girl, you don't mind. Other girls jealous, get you to find. I can follow you for
Go for it. Salipat.
Anything you want me to.
Oh, you want slippers? Oh, that's cool.
You like
And I like it, whatever it is.
So
Okay, I'll
you have me
take
like
it.
marijuana. Girl, I want to see you, baby, every time. See your hair,
Thank you.
see those shoes, all that dress, all the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous. Fabulous. Fabulous.
It's a Madonna on the beat.
a bang bang. I'm a biggie, baggy, 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 bang bang. I love you, it's rolling for me, I love you. Hey, sugar, baby, fisher. La 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 la, yeah, yeah. You gotta know. 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 I'ma shake a bang bang, baby, like your thing thing. Come, baby, boss, my bululusha, kulusha, baby, kulusha, baby, mama, like your thing. Sugar, baby, my honey thing, my focus, baby, Lulu, my focus. Make me lose focus, baby, do over like your shoulder, you know, no doubt. La 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 la, yeah, yeah. She gon' make me lose control.
The thing must be done.
You gotta know. You gotta know. You gotta know. You gotta know. You gotta know.
It's Meritino Beats.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. My name, I go down on my knees and pray. Every in the morning, I say, my blessing me again. Mama, don't you worry, you will make it. Enemy, they can't never name you ladies. Everybody know how I can't get it. You fuck up, don't come body. I never see something. They want to deal with me.
Hello, beautiful.
Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. I come from the street with no money there. I walk up for 3 years to my place. Nobody go look at my face. They go say I not be bullshit. I got to pay many credits. I know what I'm facing. I gotta make it. No devil go beat up my destiny for shining. Mama, you want pray for me. She learn the years before she go on knees. There people who make them all support me. And they pray no young. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. I don't go, tell me which bus stop. I don't be on top. Tell my enemies, see me, I no go stop. I no go stop, let it be my dream. No one's gonna do my dream. I'm betting everything so you don't know. Don't make what you want, they try. I'm not gonna do anything, I pray for you. Pray for me too, I got you. Every money when I make it, they lose. You get used. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh no.
see no beats.
So comfortable, and no one seems to
Guys, first of all, no, I don't think you can hear anything, but we are Sound of Summering. We actually came out for a few to come try and get Beulah a head. The head cost how much?
$150. And you know what?
What we're not gonna do is we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. So yeah, we are.
It's just for us. It's just for us to burn. It's fine. And then now we're sitting outside because I exited the place with my Savannah, and now I can't go back inside with it.
Yep, that's not allowed. So we're out here. I'm just hoping you guys can hear us. That's all I'm hoping. But see.
fell from the sky, and I feel
Hey,
so lucky I met you. Magical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you.
It's a Madonna on the beat.
Hello, Shuba, baby mama. This juggle, baby dance like a donkey. Biggie body bouncing. I'm a pull up bang bang. I'm a biggie bangy baggy baggy bang bang. I love your verses rolling for me. I love you. Hello, Shuba, baby fisher. La 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 yeah yeah. You gotta know. You gotta know. You gotta know.
it's Saturday.
You gotta know. You gotta know. Mama, shake a bang bang, baby, like your thing. Come, baby, boss, mine, bululusha, kulusha, baby, kulusha, baby, mama, like your thing. Shuba, baby, my honey thing, my falcon, baby, Lulu, my falcon. Make me lose focus, baby, do over like your shoulder. You don't know that. La 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 yeah yeah. She gon' make me lose control. You gotta know. 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 Baby mama, this sugar, baby dance like a donkey.
Sunday morning.
Morning vlog. It's just the two of us. You guys know who the real rock stars are because they are back home sleeping.
And it's, what is it? 12:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah. So yeah, we're quickly going to the shops and yeah, just chill in town. Literally, who comes to Usakos and not stay in all day? Yeah, or like just move around and do something. So that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna stay in all day because we're bored indeed. So see you guys in a bit.
You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't do.
It's giving we need to do like a hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're about to sit down and talk about like
sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby. We be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
You must always enjoy.
guys, just stop Katara right now. Apparently Wambura shila kaine na matu tukudharu uzinzu tambua sana ngu. Ohe pero ya.
You can be that grandmother and rock this.
Yes, I'll be this grandmother. That's okay. Himori. Ongwa hapo.
Karambwa uridi.
Mtengo wana.
As they roll down the window, heavier as they fall. And when the train stops, there's a moment of silence when you know it's time to go. And now there's no need to force things to work when we both know we aren't like we were. Oh, another night I didn't call, and I bet that you didn't notice at all.
Okay guys, so we are heading to the beach. Kathara is living her best beach life. Yeah, in her looking like an ice lolly. Is she every single time she sees someone wearing that? So yeah, we are heading to Spa, quickly picking up a few snacks, and then we're just gonna go sit and watch the sunset at the beach and just yeah, act like we're in Swakop, please. That's exactly what we're doing. So yeah.
To force things to work when we both know we aren't like we were. Oh, another night I didn't call, and I bet that you didn't notice at all. It's like raindrops as they roll down the window, heavier as they fall. And when the train stops, there's a moment of silence when you know it's time to go. And now there's no need to force things to work when we both know we aren't like we were. Sitting here all alone, listen to the same sad song. What have you done all day? Can't sleep good, but you're wide awake. Tomorrow isn't promised. Why won't you live for today? Don't throw it all away. Here's one thought to lift you up. Let me take you higher. Get inspired. There is always hope. Let me take you higher when you're falling down. Oh, yeah, yeah. People seem to know it all, but you were never one for small talk. The world is an illusion. Still make a life worth choosing. Here's one thought to lift you up. Let me take you higher. Get inspired. There is always hope. Let me take you higher.
I came out of a dark place, a lost grace mixed up with the Holy Ghost. A backslider, but I'm riding where the dopest go. Lonely roads took me through tough times.